Introducing the Gx150i from Domino, a trusted solution for thermal inkjet marking and coding applications. Designed for safe, error-free coding, the Gx150i produces accurate, graphic-quality logos and text as well as 1 and 2D barcodes at high speeds and on a multitude of substrates. This makes it perfect for a number of applications, including food, beverage, electronics and personal care. Operate with ease and quickly edit labels on any connected line using the touchscreen interface, set to simplify coding for all your TIJ applications. LED status signals on the printheads show the print status, and with the Auto Swap cartridge exchange feature, you can quickly and easily switch cartridges without interrupting your production. Monitoring screens display live information about the printer, and with the ability to connect to Domino Cloud, you can add remote monitoring and diagnostics to any line. With its small footprint, modular printhead configurations of up to 2 stitched heads, and multiple connector options, the Gx150i is easy to integrate into any production line. Domino TIJ. Clean, clear coding.